Here I am demonstrating live display of step-by-step calibration method for plain plug gauge. After cleaning, visually inspect the plain plug gauge for any physical damage or rust, etc. Keep the plain plug gauge for at least 30 minutes for soaking at 20 ± 2 degrees centigrade so that the temperature is brought to equilibrium. Before starting calibration, ensure that environment condition is maintained. The temperature should be between 20 ± 2 degrees centigrade and humidity should be 40 to 60% RH. For calibration, we will use length measuring machine as reference standard. I will calibrate nominal diameter of go end and no go end of the plain plug gauge. This is go end and this is no go end of this plain plug gauge. The diameter of go end is 7.85 mm and that of no go end is 8.15 mm. First of all, we need to do preparation for the calibration. For this, I have already fitted flat anvils on measuring axis and clamped the V on tilting table for holding plug gauge on it. Now I am unlocking knob of floating table for free movement. Now I am touching both the measuring faces by rotating constant pressure assembly and setting 0 on x-axis display. Now I am releasing pressure. Here plug gauge is already clamped on V. Now bring plain plug gauge approximately at the center of table by rotating the table screw. Adjust the machine stroke by moving tail stroke spindle. Now I am applying measuring pressure by rotating constant pressure assembly in clockwise direction and then I lock the pressure. Now find the reversal point, minimum point on x-axis display by swelling movement of work table in the way I am doing here. Then find the reversal point, maximum point on x-axis display by vertical movement of z-axis like this. Here in the worksheet, record x-axis display readings as diameter. Similarly, we can perform calibration at other 4 positions covering the whole surface of plain plug gauge. I have shown you calibration of go end and in the same way we can do calibration of no go end. In this way, the demonstration of calibration of plain plug gauge at one location is completed for this training purpose. You have to perform calibration as per the method.